Chasing the wind, understanding a unique English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, chasing the wind. This idiom is not only picturesque but also rich in metaphorical meaning. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of this intriguing expression. Chasing the wind is an idiom that implies engaging in an activity that is futile or impossible to achieve. The imagery here is quite vivid. Imagine trying to catch or chase after the wind, which is an elusive and intangible natural force. This phrase often suggests that someone is wasting time and effort on something with no practical outcome or benefit. The phrase, chasing the wind, is believed to have biblical origins, particularly from the book of Ecclesiastes in the Old Testament, where it is used to describe the fleeting and transient nature of human endeavors. Over time, this expression has been absorbed into everyday English, retaining its metaphorical meaning about the futility of certain pursuits. Let's look at some examples to understand how this idiom is used in everyday language. 1. Investing in that scheme was like chasing the wind. It was bound to fail. 2. Trying to please everyone is like chasing the wind. It's an impossible task. These examples show how the phrase is often used to describe efforts that are unlikely to yield results or are inherently unachievable. There are several other idioms in English that convey a similar meaning. For example, beating a dead horse implies continuing a particular endeavor is pointless because the outcome is already decided. Tilting at windmills, from Don Quixote, which means attacking imaginary enemies or fighting unwinnable or pointless battles. Understanding these similar expressions can enrich your comprehension of English idioms that revolve around the theme of futility. And that's a wrap on Chasing the Wind. I hope this video has been enlightening and has added a colorful idiom to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms like these are not just about words. They're about the culture and history that shape a language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English language content. See you in the next video.